Hey guys, and welcome to Summit Lakes Middle School. And I am Mrs. Becky Bickelhaft, and I'm going to be teaching you a blended class for 8th grade online this year. So this is something kind of new. I know some of you on your schedules, it will say Living Skills Online, but I have talked to Mr. Mitchell, and we have decided that I'm going to teach you some of the units from Personal Skills first quarter and some of the units from Living Skills second quarter. All right. So I'm going to kind of flash up here two different syllabuses. I usually teach only personal skills. So I'm going to show you that syllabus first. And then the second syllabus is going to be that of Mrs. Van Dusen, who is the other teacher in my department, and she teaches Living Skills here in person all the time. So then I'm going to be using her syllabus for the second part. So just be patient with me as we go through this. So this first syllabus is mine. So basically, Living Skills, Personal Skills combos is going to be a class of a lot of different life skills that you will be learning about. We were going to start off with a unit on personal wellness, goal setting, time management, using a calendar, stress management, all of those different things that you need just to be a successful adult and to take care of yourself, making sure that you are, getting everything done that you need to. And you guys have definitely been, a whole new ball game here of being online. So just how to manage all of this online learning, as well as some of your other activities and that kind of thing. So that's our first unit. The second unit is going to be personal living environments, and this is interior design. This introduces you to interior design that you could take at the high school level. A lot of thinking about color, principles and elements of design. If you like art, this will be really for you. Picking out, different wall coverings and floor coverings and designing a room. And if you like decorating, this is definitely going to be for you. So those are the first two units that we're going to be using, and then I will move on to our next second part of our blended class. We will be starting with a couple of days of nutrition, and then we are going to jump right into kitchen management and food preparation. So you are going to do a ton of labs at home. So hopefully you are ready to cook at home and make videos of what you're cooking, reading recipes, learning all about dairy and eggs and grains and how to cook with all of these different things. It will be quite an experience, and I think you guys will have a lot of fun doing it. And hopefully I will be able to see all the cool things that you are making in your kitchens at home, and you will be able to serve your families well and have fun in the long run. That's the main thing, is to learn a lot and to have fun doing it. So basically, the rest of the unit is a lot of cooking and a little bit of nutrition. So I think you're really going to enjoy this class, and I'm excited to teach it, excited to get to know you during this online class, and hopefully we will be having a lot of Google Meets and be able to get to know each other and share experiences, what went well, what didn't go well, what we would do better next time, all that kind of stuff. So if you have any questions, I will be attaching my personal skills syllabus, probably as well as this document, so you have both of those to look at. But my email address is on there, and you guys can always contact me, get a hold of me, but I'll be holding Google Meets, so you can ask me questions in person, and I'm just excited to get to know all of you. So again, welcome to Summit Lakes for this new school year. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.